Doing good, I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the best way to create a website for small business. The platform that we'll be using for this example is none other than Wix Website Builder. And the reason why I recommend Wix is it is beginner friendly, easy to use, and you can also get started for completely free. So all you'll need to do is go onto wix.com, and from there you can create an account using your email address. Once you have created your account, you're going to tap on Create New Site. After tapping on Create New Site, from here you have two options. You can either choose to create an account using AI, or you can choose to set it up without AI. I would recommend that you tap on Set Up Without AI, so you're going to tap on Set Up Without Chat. Then from here you can type in whatever business you would like to create your website for, whether it is consultation, any form of business. So let's say for example I'm in the cleaning business, so I'll type in cleaning on the search bar right here, and you can see cleaning services, home cleaning service, and you can see the different categories. So let's say for example I'm in the cleaning service, so I'll just select that. Then we'll tap on continue. After you have tapped on continue, you will be redirected to your dashboard. On the dashboard, you will now be able to enter your business name. So I can simply type in Jason Cleaner right there, as that will be my business name. And you could add in your business address. Then you're going to tap on continue. From here, you'll be able to set up your working hours. So for example, my business will be open 5 days per week, and we normally open shop from 8:30 and we will be closed by 3:30 p.m. Then you will tap on continue. After doing that, you can select the services that you offer. If you don't see a service that you offer, you can tap on create new service, and from here you could enter in the service name. But I'm going to be selecting a few of these sample services, as you can see right there. Then I'll tap on continue. From here, you can input your staff member's name and email address. Then you'll tap on continue once more. And will you be accepting payments online? If so, you can tap on that. Will you be accepting payments in person? And you can also set it up that you can send out automated emails and SMS reminders to your customers if you want. And if you're planning to sell digital or physical products, you can select this also. Then you're going to tap on continue, then tap on continue to dashboard. So you're going to go over to the left hand menu option, and from here you're going to hover over catalog. Then you're going to select booking services. After selecting booking services, you'll be redirected to this page. On this page, you can either choose to add a new service by tapping on add a new service in the top right hand corner, or you can scroll down and we could edit the services that we had chosen earlier. So you could tap on edit. Then from here you'll be able to change the cover image. You can also change the title for the service. You could add a description. You can change the duration of the service. You can also add a buffer time, and you can scroll down. You can change the payment plan, or you can leave it at fixed price, and you can change the price to whatever you want. So let's say for example $10. And if it is a case that your business is related to online services, you can also offer video conferencing, and you can also assign each service to a particular staff member if you want. Then you'll tap on save in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on save, you will close that pop-up, and you can continue editing each service. Once you're finished doing that, I want you to go over to the top left hand corner and hover over getting paid. Then you're going to tap on connect and set up. After tapping on connect and set up, you can see that there are numerous options that you're provided with. With Wix, you'll be able to send out an invoice if you want. You can also sell in person, as you can see right there, and you can also set up the different payment options that you can offer your customers by tapping on connect payment method. From here, depending on the country you're located in, you'll see different payment options. For example, I'm located in Jamaica, so I can connect TiloPay, PayPal, and other options. But if I were to change my location, so let's say for example, I were to change it to Canada, you'll realize that I'm now offered a different set of payment options. As I can now use the Wix payment method, I can also tap on see more payment options, and you can see that I can connect Klarna and so much more. So it all depends on the location that you have added. Once you're finished doing that, you're going to tap on set up in the top left hand corner, then tap on design site in the top right hand corner. After doing that, we're going to tap on pick a template. Once you have tapped on pick a template, from here you'll be able to choose a theme that you would like to use. And you can see that there are numerous themes that you can choose from. Now let's say for example I were to select this one, so I'll tap on edit. After you have tapped on edit, you're going to give it a few seconds while your website is being prepared in the background. Once it is up and running, you'll be redirected to the editor page, and on the editor page I'll show you how quick and easy it is to start editing your Wix website. In this pop-up, you could tap on the box here and you could type out some information, and you could use the Wix AI content writer to create content for your website. But normally I would close the pop-up box. After closing the pop-up box, you'll tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner, and by tapping on the plus 50%, you'll be able to get a better view of your website. Now once on this page, you can see how our website looks at the moment, and you can quickly start editing it. For example, if I would like to change the name right here, so I can tap right there and I could change the name. So I could tap on edit text, and by the way, it is as easy as that to edit each section on your Wix website. So for example, I could edit this text and type in simple answers. And if it is a case that I would like to make any other changes to the background or so on, I can do that by tapping on it, then tapping on quick edit. And from there, I can edit the header section as you can see right there. Now, if I would like to edit this section, I can hover over it and tap on quick edit once more. Then from there, I can change the background image. I can change the section background. I could scroll down and edit the text right there. You can edit the paragraph. You can change the button text. You can also change the button link as you can see right there. And by scrolling down, you'll be able to edit the form. As you can see right there, it is as quick and easy as that. And if you would like to add more fields to the form, you can do that by tapping on form settings. After tapping on form settings, normally you would see other fields that you can add, or you can simply hover over the form and tap on add new field. And then by tapping on add new field, you'll be able to add new fields to the form as you can see right there. And if it is a case that you'd like to add a new section to anywhere on your Wix website, you can tap on add new section. Then go over to the left hand menu option, and you can see the different sections that you can quickly add, or you can choose to add a blank section. So it is quite easy to edit your Wix website. And to add text or any other element, you will tap on the plus in the top left hand corner. Then from there you can see the text, image, anything at all that you would like to add to your Wix website, you will find it in this section. And to view the pages on your website, you will select the third icon from the top left hand corner, and you can see all the pages. And if you would like to add a new page, you can tap on add new page. One thing that I should tell you though, if you are planning to receive payments online using your website, you will need to upgrade and go onto their paid plan. But their paid plan is quite affordable if you were to compare them to other website providers. So I would definitely recommend, if you are setting up your small business website, to go onto their paid plan, as it is definitely worthwhile. And I hope that you realize that with this tutorial, you can create a stunning looking website in no time, even if you're not tech savvy. And that's it. All you need to do after you're finished, you could tap on publish, and from there you'll be able to publish your website. But if you are planning to collect funds, as I say, through your website, you'll need to go on their paid plan. But if it is a case that you don't want to collect any money through your website, you only want to do like booking or so on, you can do that for completely free. As if I were to tap on book now, you can see how it looks. Tap on book a cleaner, you can see that they are redirected to this page, and you can see how professional it looks, and it takes no time. Instead of paying thousands of dollars for someone to create a website, you can quickly do that using Wix. And there are numerous tutorials that you can watch, for example, for different little features if you would like to add anything else. Thanks for watching.